What is up, guys? It's here, George. So today, I'm gonna talk to you about the build, the $11,000 build that I'm gonna show you right now. It's obviously the best build for me, in my opinion. It's the best build for this price. It is an awesome build, and I'm probably sure that you're gonna go with it if you got that much money to pay for your gaming PC. Okay, let's start. So for this build, we're gonna go with the CPU Intel Core i7-6950X. It's the world's best performance CPU ever found. It's a 10 core processor, 20 threads, 3 GHz that overclock to 3.5 GHz. Although it got a really high price, but you'll never find any better CPU. For the cooler, we're gonna go with the Thermal Take Water 3.0 ring RGB 240 liquid CPU cooler. It's an awesome cooler that got two 120mm fans with awesome RGB colors that can handle lots of heat, and it got 5 different LED colors. For the motherboard, we're gonna go with Beast Asus Rampage V Edition 10. It is the world's best motherboard, although it got a high price too, but you'll never ever find anything better than that. It supports the new Intel family E series and X series, and it's also compatible with 128 gigs of RAM. So you'll probably never find any other better motherboards than this one. For the memory, this is another beast. G-Skill Ripjaws V series 128 gigs DDR4 3000 memory. So this is probably like can be the fastest memory ever found and the biggest 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 storage memory. It can handle 128 gigs. Like that's too much of multitasking that can go with this RAM. For the storage, let's go with the one Samsung 960 Pro 1 TB for the system, two 850 Pro 2 TB. That's so fast that can handle lots of games at a really high speed. And also we're gonna go with two 10 TB HDD for other stuff you'd like to save. And if you got more money, you can go with another two Samsung A50 2 TB. But like you'll gotta add $1,000 extra. For the video card, we gotta go with an NVIDIA GeForce GTX Titan X Pascal 12 gigs video card. It is the world's best video card ever found for gaming. It got a 12 gigs that can handle your games really good, and you can also play Battlefield with ultra high settings. Like this is the beast. Literally, this is the best. For the case, let's go with the Crosshair 780T 80X full tower case. I honestly love this case. It's just like it is mine. This is the best case I've ever found. Although some people will go with another cases, but I probably go with this. It got a huge room for the stuff we need to build our PC, and it also got the best look. Look at that, look at that. Okay, so for the power supply, we're gonna go with a 1600 watts EVGA Supernova. This is the best power supply for the whole set because it can keep us on the safe side, powering up every single component of this PC build. For the optical drive, it is optional because not everyone uses optical drives, but if you're gonna buy one, I'll probably go with Asus BW12B1ST. It's a Blu-ray, DVD and CD writer, so it's kinda like the best optical drive out there. So guys, I wish you enjoyed this video, and if you like this set, please tell me by your comments, and I wish you gotta support me with your likes and subscribes. and with your support I'm gonna go do more videos, and thanks a lot.